Take your blending experience to the next level this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro blender to your countertop. This elite blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 3.5 peak horsepower motor, the most powerful motor ever in Cuisinart blenders. Commercial-grade power combined with one-touch function make the Hurricane Pro your simple solution for creating creamy nut butters, crushing ice, and blending consistent smoothies. The ultra-large 64-ounce BPA-free Triton jar provides stability and comfort when blending large amounts of the toughest ingredients. Exclusive BlendLogix operating technology and automatic load sensing capability means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending power for preset functions that never miss the mark. Use any of the default pre-programmed functions for crushing ice, making smoothies, preparing hot soups, or cleaning. Or use the memory function to adjust the pre-programmed settings to your preference for recipes you make frequently. The variable speed control allows you to customize your blending speed from 3,000 to 25,000 RPMs, and the Turbo Burst function takes the commercially designed 6-prong stainless steel blades to their maximum 30,000 RPMs to obliterate your toughest ingredients. Where other blenders are aided in their toughest assignments, the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro rips through seeds and nuts for tamperless operation. The Tight Seal lid comes with a removable 2-ounce measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. The Hurricane Pro comes with a 10-year warranty, and its refined gunmetal finish ensures this powerful blender impresses not only in operation, but in style. Pulverizing power, ultra versatility, and consistent blending results are just a few of the reasons to treat your kitchen to an upgrade this year by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Pro to your countertop.
The NutriNinja Pro provides powerful nutrient and vitamin extraction to extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Our patented blade design and professional power helps to break down ingredients and unlock their natural benefits. The Pro Extractor blades are designed to crush tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and seeds to give you a smooth, even consistency every time.
Hey, what's up guys? This is the Ninja blender, and this is actually the professional model, which comes with both the blender and the single serve cups. It actually comes with 2 cups. That just allows you to choose if you want to blend a lot or just blend a little bit. So that's a nice choice, just to have both of those. Let's start by looking at the base of the blender itself. As you can see, from left to right we have the power, and we have 1, 2, 3, which are just different speeds. Right above that we have the single serve, and then we have the pulse, which is just on, off, on, off. If we take a look on the back, we have a place where we can actually stick the cord in just to hide that, say if you're not using it. It's a nice feature. Keep the cord out of the way. And on the bottom we have these rubber feet. These rubber feet are actually like suctions, and they suction very well to most countertops and to glass just excellent. Looking at the picture, we have measurements on 2 of the sides here. We have everything from ounces to cups, 2 liters to milliliters, and this will hold a total capacity of 9 cups, which is quite a bit of blending material there. If we look at the lid, we have this part that pops open, just allows you to pour out whatever's inside there, and then it will snap back down and keep everything concealed if you want to put this in a refrigerator and drink it at a later time. It will not let you blend unless you have this lid put on. And they have 2 arrows which you match up with the handle, allowing you to put that top handle down, and then you're good to go. To take the lid off, you just hit this release plate. It will pop up, and then you can go ahead and remove the lid. Now when we look inside, it does have a removable blade. The blade just slides down in there and slides out, which makes it really easy to clean. But I'll just let you know right away that this blade is super sharp. Okay, so to set this thing up for blending, all we got to do is attach the pitcher onto the Ninja base itself. It will twist into place, and then you put the lid on and you're good to go. Now just a real quick tip: if your power button is blinking red, that just indicates that you don't have it set up correctly. If you twist your pitcher onto the base and it feels a little bit hard to turn, you probably need to adjust it a little bit, because it actually is a nice gliding turn, and then that power button will turn solid red. So depending on what you're going to be blending, in this case I wanted to try out some ice, because it says it can turn ice into snow. So I went ahead, we'll put some ice in there and we'll just see how it blends. So as you can see, it holds up to its word, turn the ice right into snow. Now I can go ahead and just dump this ice out and we'll get started on something else. Okay, so we're back, and this time I'm going to do some frozen fruits just that I picked up from the grocery store, along with some strawberries, bananas, some ice and some water. And we're just going to go ahead and put this in here, and I'll let you just check out how it sounds, how it blends, and things like that. do a single serving, all you need to do is get the cup attachment that would go onto the base of the blender, screw that to the cup after you put your food in there and flip it upside down, hit the single serve button, and just that's basically it. Once it's done blending it up, take it off, put the lid back on, and then you're good to go. Something else that I really like about the Ninja is that everything can go in the dishwasher, well, except for the base itself, but everything is dishwasher safe, everything is BPA free, and if you don't have a dishwasher, don't worry, because this thing is still super easy to clean. So that's the Nutri-Ninja. Thanks for watching.
Introducing the U-Talon 8-Speed Power Hand Blender. Experience precise speed control with the 2-button soft turbo switch. And with the 8-speed dial, you can get the perfect mix each time. Make delicious homemade fruit and vegetable smoothies with the push of a button. Chopping onions has been made easier with the U-Talon 8-Speed Power Hand Blender. Every blender comes with a BPA-free blending cup and chopper. Puree peaches for natural and healthy food for your baby. With the whisk attachment, scrambling eggs is a breeze. The 4 ultra-sharp rotary blades were designed for your toughest tasks. And for easier mixing in deep stovetop pots, simply attach the extender and stir at the press of a button. The milk frother can be used to create a nice foamy touch to your favorite cup of coffee. For easy and convenient storage, simply use the built-in rubber grommet. For a premium performance, get the U-Talon Kitchen Assistant today, because you deserve it.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.